In this video, we'll talk about the different ice cream truck options that will get you sorted for your event. Hi, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We help people from Auckland, Wellington, and Christchurch, and the districts and cities in between to connect with ice cream trucks. So why the ice cream video? If you want to match an ice cream truck with your event, it's time to start planning. In this video, we'll cover 4 types of ice cream trucks to best suit your event. Truck number 1, soft serve ice cream. Soft serve ice cream trucks have been around in New Zealand since the early 60s. These vendors seem to be at home beside the beach or driving through your neighborhood. In most cases, this style of ice cream is made from skim milk and cream. The classic ice cream usually has a chocolate flake to accompany it or a flourish of sprinkles. The great thing about these trucks is that they can pump out a lot of serves at a pretty rapid pace. This is ideal if you have a large group of kids that find longer waiting times challenging. Truck number 2. Real fruit ice cream. Real fruit ice cream is a mix of frozen berries or other frozen fruit, which can be mixed with a vanilla ice cream or frozen yogurt. Depending on the truck, they may offer different dietary options. So how does it work? The fruit and the ice cream are mixed together in a machine that looks like a large drill press. The machine mixes together your choice of fruit and pushes it out so it looks like a soft serve cone. What's great about this option is that you have a range of fresh tasting flavors made right in front of you. Because each ice cream is custom made, the speed of delivery is a bit slower, and it is a very popular option during the summer months. Truck number 3, Kiwi Classic ice cream. These trucks offer Kiwi Classics, Hokey Pokey, Orange Chocolate Chip, Lime Chocolate Chip, etc. Similar brand names that you would see in your local supermarket, these trucks offer a reasonable price point and a basic cone. This is a great option when you are on a budget but still want to enjoy a classic Kiwi summer treat. Truck number 4, Gelato. This style of ice cream is made with a base of milk and sugar and is generally lower in fat and has more flavoring and less air. So the servings are more dense and smaller in portion size compared to other ice cream vendors. They often have higher end and sometimes custom made waffle cones. We're seeing a lot more dietary offerings from gelato vendors. These tend to cost on the higher end of the pricing list because they are custom made and they tend to have ingredients that are more expensive. Let the Food Truck League take some of the stress away from your next event so you can concentrate on enjoying the food and having fun. Ice cream trucks partner really well with other food trucks from pizza to pad thai. Check out the links below if you need more information or let us know what your favorite ice cream truck is in the comments below.